Okay, we are going to have a look at the TrendTrackMulti-TF Indicator. As you can see on the right, there's a table. It'll give you the trend on multiple time frames, as you can see. Go into the settings, and the way I prefer to use this is to track the 15-minute trend, mainly because I'm looking for an entry on the lower time frame. Okay, if the trend is, for example, let's find a trend that is giving us multiple higher time frames heading in the same direction. So I'm looking for 2 or 3 of these to be the same. Alright, we've got a bullish CAD yen at the moment, the daily and the 4-hour. The lower time frame would be a retrace. So the 2-hour and the 1-hour, we would go to those time frames, and we take that out for a second and bring on the trend channel. This was bullish. See how now it's trending in the cloud? This is regarded as a bearish trend at this point. Once it breaks out of the cloud, these will turn bullish. So I like to use this on the lower time frame, on a 10 or a 5-minute time frame, and I know I'm looking for a bullish opportunity, then I'll come in here and I want to know when the 15 minutes shifts bullish. Okay, that was the opportunity back here when the 15-minute shifted from red to green. Okay, if your preference is that the 15, 30 and the 1-hour are the same color, in other words, stronger bearish, you can click those and look for opportunities when those 3 time frames come together. Again, my preference is the 15-minute. Now you can set alerts. Let's say you're looking for a bullish opportunity and this happens to be trending bearish at the moment. Right, you can set the alert in here. Actually, it won't go off on replay, right? But let's just go out of here and hit the alerts. You're looking for a bullish alignment. So you can click that once per bar, create. All right, and if you happen to be back here, as soon as this changes from red to green, the alert will go off and it will let you know that you have an opportunity. Okay, so we use this in conjunction with all the other indicators. Okay, so one way I like to use it is if I'm looking for an entry, say on a 3-minute chart, I want to know when the 15-minute turns green. Okay, that's the TrendTrackMultiTF Indicator.